good day. Please introduce me yourself.
I am Jacqueline Clave, 33 years old, single, living at Antoben, Benito Soloben, Isabela. I have one brother and a second child of the family. I am college graduate. I taught Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
None, sir, but I have work experience as nanny, tutor, and helper for 2 years to a couple with 2 children and ages 5 months old and 5 years old. I do all household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, and car washing. And my main duty is to take care of the children.
Okay. So, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will securing the safety of the children. If the baby is sick, I will check the temperature, and if the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. So, how would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
And why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my family, sir.
Okay. So, if you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My living partner, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I am focusing to my work, and I remind myself I need this job for my family.
Okay, so what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after my work is done, and I wake up 5 a.m.
Okay, so are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and
Okay, so do you accept no of this but to be paid instead by employer?
yes, sir.
Okay, when you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I will extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it. Sing it.
Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark, doo 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 doo. Baby shark. Mommy shark, doo 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 doo. Mommy shark, doo 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 doo. Mommy shark, doo 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 doo. Mommy shark.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope me select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.